It's a beautiful day on the battlegrounds, and you're in for a PUBG Mobile experience unlike any seen before. Over the next 8 weeks, 16 of your favorite content creators from around the globe will be split across 4 PUBG Mobile nations. They'll compete in some of the craziest PUBG Mobile challenges to ever exist in a battle for glory, points, medals, and of course, content. So grab your popcorn and get your drinks ready because it's time for the 2021 PUBG Mobile Summer Feast. Welcome in, everyone. My name is Powerbang and I'll be your host for the 2021 Summer Feast. It is this summer's biggest chicken dinner. We've got some of your favorite content creators here for some wacky, off-the-wall challenges that have never before been seen in PUBG Mobile. But before we get into week one's contest, we better introduce you to our contestants. Team Erangel, Team Miramar, Team Sanhok, and Team Karakin. Each creator will represent their team in a variety of individual PUBG Mobile challenges designed to put their skills to the test. Creators finishing in first place will receive a gold PUBG Mobile medal. Second place finishers will receive a silver medal, while third place will receive a bronze. For creators that don't make the podium, we've even got some consolation points so they don't feel too left out. The PUBG Mobile nation with the biggest medal count at the end of the Summer Feast will be crowned champions. The feast is broken up into 2 courses of 4 events, and each team must assign a different creator to each event. But here's the catch. They have to make their picks knowing only the name of each event. Our first event is called Level 3 Helmets Not Included. While all of our teams are looking for that gold medal, let's listen in as they select the creator they feel will best represent them on the battlegrounds during our first Summer Feast event.
Team Erangel, let's go!
I've got a plan for this, man. We're going to make Jacob do everything, and we're just going to give him our accounts.
I'm down for the level 3 helmets.
What are these events? Like, I heard the names.
They gave us the names, but we have to guess what they are.
I feel like level 3 helmets is my calling. Just saying.
Well, I'm thinking level 3 helmet is for sniping.
Hay que ganarlo, o sea, hay que pensar bien.
I'll do if that's snipers, I'll do the level 3 helmets not included.
Now that was an interesting listen in. The teams are speculating, they're strategizing a bit about what type of event this could possibly be, and I gotta say, they were right. Level 3 helmets not included is a sniper contest. It will take place in the foothills of Erangel, and each kill is worth 1 point. There are no helmets, no armor, and that is no problem. Each team has selected who they feel is going to give them the best opportunity to take home that gold medal. So hopefully, they've selected some sniper experts.
G'day guys, my name is Bushker. I hail from the sunny beaches of Sydney, Australia. My favourite map is Miramar, and I love the Mark 14. Least favourite weapon is any kind of shotgun. And a fun fact about me is that I used to shred lead guitar in a rock and roll band when I had some of this hair, but those days are long behind me.
Hey guys, I'm Her Gaming. I'm from Australia. My favourite map is Miramar. My favourite gun is the M416. My least favourite gun is shotguns because they have a child lock on me and I don't know how to use them. And I have a twin brother.
Hi, my name is Prod from Delaware, USA. My favorite map is Miramar. I always use the AWM. Absolutely hate the MK47 Mutant. It's trash. And I really love Candy Corn.
Hola, buenas. Mi nombre es Mitek, soy de Chile y mi mapa favorito es Erangel, evidentemente porque es el mapa más icónico de todo PUBG Mobile y el que más disfruto a la hora de jugar. En cuanto a mi arma favorita es la M416 y el arma que menos me gusta es la S12K. Un dato aleatorio sobre mí, no sé, me gusta el agua. ¿A ti no? ¡Siu!
We know the rules and we know who's competing, so contestants ready. 3, 2, 1, feast! Level 3 helmets not included is underway. The object of the game is for our competitors to take out those poor, unarmed, helpless players down there, and each kill is worth 1 point.
Oh, this is tense.
Oh, I got someone. Oh.
I got one.
Oh, how do I have to reload already? Are you kidding me?
I want to get Jacob. I can see him at the front. Oh, I'm going to leave him alone. He's too elusive.
I can't do this. I can't do this.
He's too good. He's too good. I tried to get him too. He's too good.
A couple easy ones there, but Jacob is out there dodging like a madman.
But everyone's so elusive.
You even shoot them.
They're so elusive. Stand still and be mediocre, please.
That's 2 hits. Are you kidding me?
Come on. I can't hit anyone.
Okay. All right, this is just.
Oh, this is so much harder. I hit Jacob again. Someone else got him. Prod, you grab. The double tap.
No.
The double tap, Prod. I want the assist.
We had to double team.
This
and
is
we
so
had to.
hard. They're all moving too fast. All right.
Come on, slow down.
Oh my god.
They're jumping
Alright,
there.
I gotta reload. Reload.
Okay. Oh, my fingers are getting sweaty.
My
I'm so nervous.
knees are weak. My palms are
Oh
sweaty.
no. Oh no.
Se mueve mucho esta gente.
Alright.
Oh, hers coming good.
Alright. I'm nervous though. I'm shaking.
I haven't had a hit for a while. Switching over to a 6x. You got to get out of the way, Prod. Oh, Prod.
No.
Oh, okay. Stop. I just killed Prod.
Oh, we are not stopping, ladies and gentlemen. Bushka, I've got some really bad news. But fortunately for you, that's for Prod, because he filled up your entire scope with his big head, and well, you took it clean off his shoulders. So I'm ruling that Prod stepped into the line of fire, and this competition shall continue. Prod will have to watch the rest from the sidelines.
Prod just walked in front of my thing doing a jiggle. Okay, Prod's dead.
No. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Dude.
I wasn't
Oh my
moving
God.
and Prod just literally ran across my screen and
No.
got a headshot.
I
I
can't.
feel terrible.
No,
I didn't
the
think-
reload. Would it stop reloading? Why is that necessary?
I didn't think he'd shoot. I was just saying, what's up, man?
All that's
I was-
left are really hard to shoot people and I don't like it.
Would they stop hiding behind the shack? It's just not helping.
It hurts.
I have missed so many shots in a row now. This is
No.
bad for my confidence.
No. I'm
I'm
not
so
ready. I'm not
sorry,
ready.
team. I've been bad. I've been terrible.
No. Let me get one more.
Level 3 helmets not included is about
No.
to finish. In 3, 2, 1, weapons down.
Yes.
No.
I was rubbish. I'm so
Oh my
sorry,
God.
team. I'm so sorry, team. I'm so embarrassed.
That is going to do it for level 3 helmets not included. Some amazing action in round number 1 and even some friendly fire. We're definitely going to have to go to the leaderboards to see how this one ended up. Missing the podium this round will be Prod as he exited early, finishing with just 2 kills. Her Gaming from Erangel will finish with 5 kills. In 3rd place, Bushka from Team Karakin gets 7 kills, and oh how he wishes Prod would have counted towards his total. Mitek finishes just 1 ahead with 8 kills total for Team Miramar, getting that gold medal and the winner chicken dinner. Some great action there in level 3 helmets not included. Here with our winner Mitek is Mustache Dave.
All right, Mitek, tell me real quick, how does it feel to be the champion of level 3 helmets not included?
Me siento muy feliz por haber ganado. Tenía la presión de mi equipo que quería que ganara obviamente el primer reto, así que contento por contribuir al team.
Thank you, Dave, and congrats again to Mitek. That is going to do it for week 1. Let's go ahead and check our overall medal count before we get out of here. The Summer Feast first week wraps up with Team Miramar on top with 10 points. Karakin in 2nd with 7, Erangel in 3rd with 5, and Team Sandhawk has some work to do next week as they're in last place with 3 points. Coming up next week on PUBG Mobile's Summer Feast, we've got week 2, which means double barrels of fun. Tune in to find out what that might be and which team will come out on top.
Vamos. Oh my god. Where are they at? They're all hiding. I can't find them.